In this video, I'll show you how to reset preferences in Inkscape. Resetting your preferences is one of the most effective ways to fix a cluttered interface, broken tools, or strange behavior inside the software. Over time, configuration files store things like your UI layout, custom shortcuts, and recent files, and sometimes those settings can become corrupted. A quick reset brings everything back to factory defaults and often solves the problem instantly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's get started. The first method is resetting preferences directly from inside Inkscape. This works best if the program is still opening and functioning normally. Start by opening Inkscape. Then press Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard. This opens the Preferences window where most of the application settings are stored. Once the window appears, look at the left sidebar and locate the System category. Click onto System to reveal the system-related options. Inside this section, you will find a User Preferences area. Here you'll see the Reset Preferences button. Clicking this will mark your configuration file to be cleared. After pressing the button, close Inkscape completely. The reset will not apply immediately, so the program needs to be restarted. When you launch Inkscape again, the interface will load with the default layout and settings. Now, let's look at the second method, which is useful if Inkscape crashes during startup or refuses to open at all. In this case, you'll need to manually delete the configuration file from your computer. First, make sure Inkscape is completely closed and not running in the background. Next, open File Explorer on your computer. Click into the address bar and paste the following path, %appdata %\Inkscape. Press enter and this will open the configuration folder where Inkscape stores its settings. Inside this folder, locate the file named preferences.xml. Right-click that file and choose delete. Don't worry, this will not harm your projects or artwork files. When you launch Inkscape again, the program will automatically detect that the preferences file is missing and generate a brand new one with the factory default settings. Before you reset everything, there are a couple of technical things worth knowing. Resetting preferences will not affect any of your saved projects, documents, or SVG files. However, if you created custom keyboard shortcuts, those are stored inside the keys folder within the app data directory. If you want to preserve them, simply copy that folder somewhere safe before deleting the preferences file. Another important detail is related to path commands. If text in a document has already been converted to a path, it cannot be ungrouped back into editable text. It must be separated using path tools, and resetting preferences will not change that state in existing files. And that's how to reset preferences in Inkscape using both the built-in reset option and the manual configuration method. If this video helped you fix an interface issue or startup problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.